Welcome back to the podcast brought to you by SDC International Shipping. Today's story is about something every assignment eventually comes to, the journey home. This is a story of how SDC International Services helped a U.S. Embassy team return home after a 5-year posting overseas. It started with an email marked priority. The embassy reached out to SDC with a message. Our team is rotating home. 15 families, staggered departures. We need full support, packing, custom storage, and stateside delivery. The move out begins in 45 days. Like an outboarding relocation, where logistics follow a clear sequence, reparation runs in reverse. And every timeline depends on diplomatic schedules, school calendars, and the next team's arrival. Our first task was to create order of overlapping timelines. 15 families meant 15 different departure dates, housing arrangements, and custom clearance. Each one required precision. SDC assigned a dedicated reparation manager and 2 regional coordinators to oversee the project, one stationed at origin, the other back in the U.S. Planning had to happen in 2 directions at once. In Europe, our team handled pre-packing assessments, temporary housing extensions, and end-of-tenancy inspections. At the same time, our U.S. Operation Division coordinated custom entry, warehouse staging, and domestic delivery schedules. For many families, belongings would arrive before permanent housing was scheduled, so SDC arranged climate-controlled storage near their intended cities, ready for flexible redelivery. Packing day at an embassy is never ordinary. Crews must work around security restrictions, sealed offices, sensitive materials. Personal items are packed separately from official property, and nothing moves without authorization. SDC's packing team, all cleared for diplomatic assessments, worked closely with embassy security to ensure chain of custody integrity. Every box was scanned, sealed, and logged in both SDC's database and the embassy's internal system. For the families, the process was emotional. These weren't just houses. These were homes filled with 5 years of life abroad. Photos, furniture, souvenirs, and school projects. Every item represented a memory. And our crews understood that. They packed quietly, carefully, and respectfully. Because in moments like that, moving isn't just logistics. It's empathy in motion. After the following months, shipments left in carefully timed waves, by air for essentials and by sea for full household goods. When the first containers reached the U.S., our team handled custom clearance within 48 hours. Trucks rolled out to multiple destinations, Virginia, Texas, California, where families were settling back into stateside life. At SDC, we make coming home seamless, strategic, and stress-free. To learn how SDC supports government relocations, visit our website at sdcinternationalshipping.com or call us 877-339-0267.